Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the program can't start because API-ms-win-crt-runtime DLL is missing, then please watch this video. And these solutions will remain same for most issues concerning DLL files missing. So first of all, you'll try to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select check for updates here or install all, whatever option is available. I mean any option in blue. Now it's check for updates, so you'll click on check for updates. The second solution is to install the Microsoft Visual C++ package. All you need to do is search for it on Google or Bing, any one that you prefer, and hit enter, and then go to this option here with the learn.microsoft.com page. You'll find a lot of options here. Click on the first one which says Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, 2022. Click on this one. Scroll down. In most cases you will have a 64-bit machine, so you'll have to click on the second one, but in the rare case that you have a 32-bit machine, select the x86 one. So I'll select the x64 one because I have a 64-bit computer. I'll click on this, I'll wait for it to download. Okay, and then I'll click on this option here, and then I will select the option to install it. Now I have it installed already, so I am selecting the option to repair it, and this will fix the problem on my system. In most of the cases, like in 99% of the cases, this will fix the issue. But if it doesn't, then try an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.